How to find Revolut 18 QR code. Do you need to find your Revolut 18 QR code for easy payments or transfer? Here's a quick step by step guide to help you out. First, you just have to open your Revolut 18 app on your phone and log in. On the main screen, tap your profile icon, usually at the top left or right corner of your phone. From the menu, you just have to select Receive or Top Up. Then you'll be able to see your unique QR code and account details. This code can be scanned by a parent or another Revolut user to send you money instantly. Lastly, you just have to tap the share button if you want to send the code via message or show it directly to someone for scanning. And that's it. That's how you quickly find and use your Revolut 18 QR code. Perfect for safe and simple transfers. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you get a question, just drop it in the comments.